Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix when your Wi-Fi is not showing up for Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So here we are in Windows, and the first thing that we would need to do in order for us to solve this problem is go into our start menu, and from here type internet options. And from here you would see the internet options of your control panel, and you want to click on it. And from here you want to go into the advanced tab. And from here, you want to click on Restore Advanced Settings right here. And after that, you're going to hit on Apply and then OK. And after you have done this, then all you have to do now is go into the Device Manager. So let's go into Device Manager right here and the Control Panel right here. So you want to search it up right here in the Start menu. And once you are here in the Device Manager, you want to go into your network adapters and expand this, and you would see all your network adapters right here. So you would see which adapter is you are trying to connect and you are failing to connect with it. And if you can see it right here, then you can just go and, for example, this is my Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna go and update this driver by right clicking on it and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. And as you can see, I already have the best drivers installed. So if this is the case for you, if it's the same and you're still facing errors, then I suggest that you research your own internet adapters right here and make sure it's updated. You can just manually update it if you can't update it right here. So as you can see, browse my computer for drivers, just like that. And yeah, or maybe the problem is not right here in your drivers, and if you can see the drivers that you are supposed to have right here, then you would need to install it right here manually. Or you could just go and you could just update driver and scan for hardware changes right here. That could also work. But if not, then you can just manually update it. And now let's close this. And then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go into our start menu. And from here, go into network status right here in the system settings right there. And from here, you're going to go into the change adaptation. I mean the network and sharing center right here. So once you go here, network and sharing center, and go into your Wi-Fi name right here, or you could just go into change adapter settings right here, and you would see all the Wi-Fi connections or the connections that you have right here in your network. And as you can see, I'm currently using Wi-Fi, so make sure that you have this enabled. And to enable this, simply right click and click here on enable. It should have it right here. As you can see, because this is disabled, this is currently disabled right here. So you want to enable this by right clicking, but as you can see, I already have mine enabled and I don't have an Ethernet plugged into my computer. And yeah, that's basically it for this step. Now, if the problem is still not solved after doing these steps, then I recommend that you do the next step that I'm going to show you. So now we're going to go into our CMD in our start menu. So go into your start menu and type in CMD right here, CMD right there, command prompt. You want to open this, and from here you are going to want to type netsh winsock reset right here and hit enter. And as you can see, it needs to be run as administrator, so let's run it. Sorry, forgot. So CMD again, and let's go right click and click on run as administrator right here, and yes. And now you can just type the command netsh winsock reset, just like that, hit enter, and this would pop up. And then the next one would be netsh and IP reset right there, reset log dot text, and then hit enter, and then this would pop up right here. And after that, you need to exit. Now you can now exit the CMD.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.